Hey, Siavash here, and this is going to be a quick one, just a quick tutorial on how to use the platform. So first of all, you will see all the connections that we have at the moment in here, and obviously this is going to we're going to keep adding to these connections as we build new integration and new connection. So first thing, choose which one you want to connect to. So you can just simply go ahead and click on every single one of these, and it will jump into the section for that. So first, I'm going to show you one of them that is Jane. So you click on Jane, you will scroll down in here. Now, all we need is two information from you. One of them is CRM location ID, and the other one is CRM private integration key. This one, private integration key, is different from API key. So if you don't know what it is, click on this and it will show you a video on how to do that. Same with the location ID. Make sure that you know what you're doing. Click on that and it will show you a video. Copy and paste it in here, and then all you need to do, you click on add a new Jane collection. What it does, it opens up the Stripe for the 7-day free trial. And then after the trial, it's going to be $45 per month, and you can cancel at any point of time. Once you subscribe, for example, for Jane in this case, then it will open up the Jane sign-in page in order to sync up the integration. Now, a note for you, Jane guys, users, is as soon as you sign in, you might receive an email from Jane that says, hey, you've signed in to Jane from a different platform. And the reason for that is because we're actually doing this sync. So make sure that you don't go ahead and change your password. Otherwise, it's going to break the authentication and we won't be able to do the syncing for you, and you need to reset that. So just a heads up for you, Jane guys. So that's how you do it for Jane. It's very similar to PtEverywhere. Now let's try another one that is a little bit different. So if I scroll down, you will see the Cliniko. So Cliniko, as you can see, it provides API key. So you can get access to your API key from your Cliniko. If you don't know how to find it, again, you can click on this and it will show you where to find your Cliniko. Same thing with CRM location ID as we discussed, and private integration key. Again, once those are filled in, click on add a new Cliniko connection. It opens up the Stripe, you sign up, and you're good to go. Now, once you've done this and you do your integration, the first thing that is going to happen, you will see some new custom fields coming in into your additional info. And depending on the size of your client base or patients, anywhere between 1 hour, half an hour to a couple of hours, we will do a whole fetch of your account. And then after that, it will be a sync for every 30 minutes to 1 hour sync. Now, let's say that you're not happy with this and you want to come and cancel your integration. Again, you cancel from our platform, not from the marketplace. You come in here and let's say you want to cancel your Cliniko. You come in here, you say, okay, this is the location that I want to cancel. You click on delete connection and it will cancel the subscription. You don't need to do anything else. And that's pretty much it. At any point of time, if you guys have any questions, you know our email address, siavash@gmrtechnology.com. Yeah, I'm happy to answer any question. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.